So before we jump into this video, which we're going to be talking about this product right here, the LevelerPro, I just wanted to, in full disclosure, let everyone know that LevelerPro sent us this product. We did not pay for it, and you'll have to stick around to the end to see if we're willing to pass this on, let you know if it's a good product or not, and potentially have a discount code for you. Some of you may have saw in the past that we had the LevelerMate Pro, and there's differences between this one and that one, and we will talk about those differences also in this video. But I just want to let you know, they did send us this, we didn't buy it, and so stick around for a true evaluation of how we're gonna use it, if we're gonna use it. So we're testing out this LevelerPro, and so we're doing it our way first. And so what happens is when we back into the site, Teresa has to get out, she has to open up the door there, get the ball level out, and then see where we're at.
And right now we probably
need to go up on the driver's side.
Yep,
one block. Okay, so then we need to open up the compartment there, get the blocks out, and then Teresa will get us level. Okay, so now that we've leveled using our normal method, now we're going to put the blocks away, but we're going to put the blocks in the back seat of the truck, because that's going to be the new process.
Well, I can just
and then we're going to try the app and the LevelerPro and just see if it's faster.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we just arrived in the campground again, and we launched the app, and it's showing that we need to go up 2 inches on the driver's side. So what's going to happen, Teresa at this point, who's cold, even though it's not that cold outside, here's where we are. The leveling blocks are now in the back seat of the truck, so she's going to grab the leveling blocks, and now that we know that she needs to go to the driver's side, she'll just put the blocks in and I will drive up on it.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Stay. Nope, you guys are staying.
Okay, so now that we've disconnected from the truck's right there, we're going to turn on we have the app still launched, and we're going to bring the nose down about 6 inches. So let's go down. And there it shows zeros. Okay, so the whole purpose of this was to see if the process would be faster. And that's going to make a lot of sense when the weather sucks and it's raining and whatever. So he's right there. So yeah, I think it works. Okay, so we have leveled our normal way and we have leveled with the LevelerPro. And like I said at the beginning of the video, we had the LevelMate Pro and we didn't like it. And we didn't like it for a number of reasons. So when RhinoStorm LevelerPro reached out and asked us if we wanted to try this product, I was a little apprehensive. And so we told them that we would check it out. And if we liked it, we would do a video. If we didn't like it, video is not coming out. I like it, and I like it for this reason. It eliminates steps. So initially, we would have to back in. Teresa would get out, open up the door, get the ball level, come out and check it on the back. Then we would have to open up the cabinets, to get the blocks out, back onto the blocks, and then do the process of the front, front leveling, front to back leveling.
I didn't have to stand in the middle of the trailer and yell at you to go down further, go down when we're leveling it from north to south. Right.
Yeah, the front to back leveling is so much easier with the app in your hand, and you could just see, like in this case, we had to go down 6 inches to get level.
Yeah.
And I just stood there with the app and you saw it.
I don't have to do anything anymore. So
yep.
No more yelling or going, go back up a little bit.
Yeah.
So it is nice.
It just speeds up the whole process. And I think on real crappy days, that's going to make a big difference. With the LevelerPro, a couple things that I like about it. Number one, we mounted it with 2-sided tape, and it's right inside the door. Number two, I like that it has a sleep feature, and you could set how long you want that to stay awake before it goes to sleep, and then it wakes up when you launch the app. So I really like that because, like in this case, we're an hour from home, so I had it go to sleep, and then it came on when we launched the app, and then we backed in, and it was super accurate. So I like that. I like the fact that by moving the blocks to the back seat, now all we have to do is back in, look at where we are. Teresa gets out, grabs the blocks, and really it's that simple.
Right, exactly.
When we tried using the LevelMate Pro, we were trying the Anderson levelers. Didn't like them at all. Your mileage may vary. If you like them, that's great. We're not judging. But they didn't work for us. So the LevelerPro does. And the biggest difference between the LevelMate Pro and the LevelerPro is the price. The LevelerPro retails for $99. There will be a link to their Amazon store in the description below.
The code is capital H, capital P, capital D, and then Diaries.
So capital P,
capital
H, P, and D, and then the word Diaries after the D. So yeah, you'll get 20% if you use that code. We get 0. This is not an affiliate link. This is just a help our viewers get a product that we think we're gonna enjoy having. So anyway, yeah, I think that's where we are with LevelerPro. So anyway, if you're interested in the LevelerPro, a gift to you, 20% off. Check out the link in the description below to their Amazon store. And the link is good for 30 days. So you might want to jump on it. I'll try to get them to extend that. No promises. Anyway, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video.